Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new, if you're not new and you're still a supporter, thank you so much for always supporting me and being here for my videos. I very much appreciate it. Today I am here with my last belly bundle box. This is the June box, so I only did about like a 3-month subscription with Belly Bundle, so this is my last one. Really excited to share with you guys. Hopefully we got some goodies today. I apologize for the way I sound. I am sick, so just trucking along over here. Okay, so diving right in. Looks like we have a little something in a box. Maybe like a necklace or a bracelet. Looks like a necklace. It's so pretty. It has like a little pendant. It says Mama in really small text. And it's like a rosy gold, almost like a brassy color, which I love. So pretty. I love that. I love pendant necklaces. And it's so special that it says Mama on it. Not super gaudy. It's really classy, really dainty, which I like. So really, really love that. Next up, we have Positive Mama Affirmation cards. Oh, that's so cool. Who doesn't like a good affirmation card? Ooh, and the quality of this like stand holder thing is really nice. It's like metal, but you just put this stand and you can put these cards on it, and you can just shuffle through them each day or each week. So I'm actually going to put that right near my little space here. This is like my office space. I'm not going to show you guys like my computer or anything, but this is where I work, and oh my goodness, it's going to be so nice to just like have those cards there to like, if I'm feeling down or sad or just unmotivated, to just give those a look and, you know, just to feel encouraged. So I really think that's a cute idea. We all need to have some affirmations in our life because there are times when we're not feeling so hot. So really cool, really good idea. So I love that. Looks like we have a little something for the baby. Oh, it looks like a little pacifier with a monkey. How cute. Oh, it's so soft. Such good quality. Oh, I can't wait to use it. I'm actually 20 weeks today. And it's crazy because I'm halfway through my pregnancy. So yeah, it's starting to feel really real. We haven't really gotten much for the baby yet. It's crazy. So the little things I get here and there are really special. So can't wait to find a little home for him. So cute. Okay, next up we have a little koozie. I can't drink this summer, you know, but I can put like virgin drinks in here, or like soda, or just spritzers, whatever, Gatorade, whatever drinks I could have. It says Mama Juice. So that's super cute. Love the cozies. Koozies? Cozies? What are they called? I don't even know. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh my god, we have a matching set for Mama and baby. Oh my god. I can't. It's already so cute. Oh my gosh. So this one says Hip Hugger. A little onesie. Really cute, soft, stretchy material. Really good quality. This is for 6 months. So that's cute. That'll be like when it really is hugging my hip. You know what I mean? And then we got the matching shirt for the mom. Let's see. So this one says Hip Mama. Get it? Because like cool mom, hip mama. I love it. I love it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I love all the things that say mama on it because, you know, I refer to myself as a mama. So really cute. I love this so much. I can't wait to wear this with my baby. Really cute stuff in this box. I'm so happy with it. If you guys are interested in getting your own box, I'll have all the details listed down below in the comment section. And it's just a fun way to get something in the mail for you and baby. Really good quality stuff, really affordable. The first box is always discounted, and there's different subscriptions you can choose from, so there's something for everyone, or you could just do month to month if you don't want to commit to a subscription. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and until I see you in my next video, bye!